Right, last one for tonight from review set 12b. This is question 7. Find the exact solutions of tan x minus pi on 3 where it's equal to 1 over root 3. And x is between 0 and 4 pi. Now, we haven't actually done these in class yet, but good to see some people working ahead, so I thought, oh, I'll have a go. Look, the easiest way to do it, if no one tells you how you should do it, put it on your calculator. Here you can see I have put in the equation, tan of x minus pi on 3. Put on separately y equals 1 over root 3. I find this a little bit easier because then I can just find all of the intersection points straight away. So basically x is going to be pi over 2, 3 pi on 2, 5 pi on 2, 7 pi on 2. They're going to be the values between 0 and 4 pi. But we need to be able to do it algebraically as well. So let's go ahead and have a look at how we do the algebra here. The first thing we've got to do is to undo tan, we do the arctan. So I'm going to have x minus pi over 3 equals the arctan. Remember, that's the same as tan negative 1, but I want you to get used to using the proper mathematical terms. Arctan of 1 on root 3. 1 on root 3 you will recognise comes from your best friend's little buddy. There's my triangle there. 1, 2, root 3. This angle at the top's the big one, so that must be 1/3 of pi. This angle down here is a little one, that must be 1/6 of pi, so that'll be pi over 6. So which one is the angle that results from tan equaling 1 over root 3? 1 over root 3. Pi on 6 must be the one I'm after. So I've got x minus pi on 3 equals pi over 6. But clearly, we can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 answers possible. And I haven't given us 4 answers, have I? So how do we go about finding those other answers? Let's have a look at your best friend in maths, unit circle, because it's going to help you out here. My tangent axis is off at the side here. Pi over 6, well, we can see there it's 0.577, so it's about here somewhere. So the line that's going to give me pi over 6 is going to be there, and of course the radius could extend through there. So we've got that's pi on 6. This next angle here must be pi plus pi on 6. Well, that gives me 2 of them between 2 pi. You can see that I need to go at least up to 4 pi. So we had pi on 6 as the first angle. If I add 2 pi, so I get pi on 6 plus 2 pi. 2 pi is the same as 12 pi divided by 6. You can see how I multiply the top and bottom. So 2 pi over 1 multiplied by 6 over 6. And I get 12 pi over 6. So 2 pi plus 12, pi on 6 plus 12 pi on 6 is 13 pi over 6. And same over here. I had pi plus pi on 6, which was actually 7 pi on 6. I don't know why I didn't make that one look prettier for you. Let's make it look prettier now. Pi plus another 1/6 is 7 pi over 6. That was the first one we had there. 7 pi on 6. And then again, if I add 2 pi to that, I'm adding 12 pi on 6, so I get 19 pi on 6. And then if I keep going around, I get to 4 pi. Now, is that all the answers I need or not? You've got to be really careful with these. One thing I suggest you do, this little bit up here, x is between 0 and 4 pi. This is what they're really saying. 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4 pi. But when I do arctan, that is not just x. That's x minus pi over 3. So what I have to do is I have to adjust the limits of that domain that I've been given. So this is actually, if I subtract pi on 3 from that, I've got to subtract pi on 3 from 0 to get negative pi over 3. And I've got to subtract pi on 3 from 4 pi. So 4 pi is 12/3 of pi, isn't it? 4 is 12 over 3, so 12 pi on 3 minus pi on 3, 11 pi on 3. So I actually need to check around my unit circle from negative pi on 3, which is going to be down here somewhere, until I've done 2 full revolutions there. Now, as it is, we've got all 4 values this time. Worked out nicely. Doesn't always work out that nicely, so that's something you've got to keep in mind. Now that we've got them, let's write them all down, and then we'll be able to finish off this problem without any worries. 7 pi on 6, 13 pi on 6, and 19 pi over 6. Now to get x on its own, opposite of subtracting 1/3, make that look nice with a set of braces there, because that's the whole set of numbers. Opposite of subtracting 1/3 of pi is to add 1/3 of pi, so I'm going to add pi on 3 to each of these. 1/6 plus 1/3 is a half of pi, so that one becomes pi over 2. If I add another pi on 3 to that, pi on 3 is going to get me right around there to there, isn't it? Right down to the 3 pi on 2. So 7 pi over 6 plus pi on 3 is 2 more pi on 6. It's 9 pi on 6, 3 pi over 2. And I think you get the idea. The next one, if I add 2 more, I'm going to get 15 pi over 6, both divisible by 3. So that's going to give me 5 pi over 2. And the last one, 19 pi on 6. I add pi on 3, which is the same as 2 pi on 6. I've got 21 pi over 6, divided both by 3. And I get what I expected, 7 pi over 2. Now they're still to come after 12.5, 12.6-ish, but it's good for you to have a look at that now, and we'll see you all in the next videos. Cheers.